Gonna do a quick update. I've got enough answers. I'm gonna get this running in the car. That's no problem. Well, it might be a huge problem. I don't know. A couple things I'm gonna go over real quick. The guy did say he knocked out the freeze plugs, so it's not gonna run very long. What else? The starter sucks, so I already went yesterday to the junkyard and got a mini starter for it, so that's good. I should have enough ignition stuff laying around to make it run. I know I've got plugs. I've got brand new wires, but I think I also have a set of wires that are not brand new that'll work good enough for this. What else will I need? Need a verified distributor. I need a carburetor. And also, one thing I did do, when I was turning it over by hand, I got rid of the fan here. I cut this hose because it's very old. But I pulled the distributor out, and I pulled the intermediate shaft out, and I spun the oil pump to prime everything before I started turning it by hand. I don't think I put the intermediate shaft back in properly. I'm pretty sure I just threw it in there so I could cover the hole in the engine. So we're going to have to go through and set that up too to make sure we got the firing order right. I'm a little worried about getting it fired up. There's a lot of sand and dirt from Arizona on here. I mean, ugh. But I think we'll get a good old air compressor out and try and clean this thing off. You can hear this thing run, I think. That shouldn't be a problem. I don't even know what carburetor's on here. I don't think it's correct. I mean, this air cleaner's not correct. That's for a 71. A Holly. The hell? Anyway, yeah, look. Had some critters. A couple critters. No big deal. It's kind of weird that there's a Holly here. But maybe not. I don't know. Usually, no, I'm used to a Carter ABS, so. But yeah, that's where we're at on this. Got to get all of this dirt and stuff vacuumed and dusted off, and get all the rest of the. I think I pulled all the plugs. Yeah, I pulled all the plugs. Get the plugs out of, or new plugs in it. Get some wires on it. Get the intermediate shaft back in the correct orientation. Plug off any open vacuum leaks. I don't know, maybe I'll try and fire it up with the Holly. I mean, I see it leaking all over the place if I try that, but I mean, I guess we could. Look how brittle and dry all this crap is. Vacuum secondaries? One thing that hit me, ever since I turned the motor over by hand, I haven't tried to jump the relay and see if that starter even works. I went and got a mini starter thinking the starter was junk. And it's always good to have an extra mini starter laying around. Usually I do. I just ran out of them because I use them so much. So what I'm going to do really quick, I'm going to get rid of this sad, pathetic terminal. I'm going to cut this wire back a little bit. Same with this one. That's not sure what's going on here. Looks like they lost a fusible link or something happened. But anyways, I'm going to clean these connections up as much as I can. I mean, this wire is super stiff. Clean that positive connection up. I'm going to use the terminal cleaner. Clean up the ground. It's funny, the ground's red and the power's black on this one. Don't know why they did that, but. And then I guess I'm going to see if I could jump the relay up here and turn it over. That's going to be step one in making it run again. Alright, now we're ready to go. Got a new terminal on there. Got rid of the old one. Cleaned up that one. So, Let's see what happens. I haven't even tried anything with this yet. Boom. Turns over. That's good. Let's see what else works. While we're here, let's just see. Get some windows maybe? Back window? Headlights? Got headlights. This poor wagon. Look at this dash. It's got the Surf Pro beat. Headliner. What headliner? Oh no, there's rust on my roof. I better sell it. I gotta get that back open so I can get this thing cleaned out the rest of the way. Yep, that's definitely, I gotta sell it. That's just, I can't live with that. I don't know anybody that could live with that. How many miles this thing say it's got? 132 or 32? It's missing the ignition. And man, that switch is so sticky. Usually, stick my finger in here and turn this, it's like seized. Maybe I'll spray something in there so when I come back next weekend, it might want to move on its own a little bit. We'll see. Yep, I need the key to turn on. That'd be nice. It's a PB blaster here. I've never had to lube an ignition column or an ignition cylinder before. This is a first.